Hey, welcome back, everyone. Here you can see when I try to search here for something like this on my Safari on my iPhone. It's showing me the error as Safari cannot open the page because it could not connect to the server. So if you are facing the same problem on your iPhone and iPads, so you are exactly at the correct location because in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily overcome this type of error. So it's most annoying error. So how to fix this? Just concentrate here on this tutorial. So firstly what you have to do, just go back to your home screen, and then actually I have 7 methods that are very possible to overcome this problem. So we will discuss all of these one by one, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So let's jump now. For first method, that's very simple. What you have to do is just open up here your settings app on your device, and then here you have to check your mobile data or whatever Wi-Fi connections are using. So here make sure that you have a strong internet connection or Wi-Fi connection here, or disable your Wi-Fi connection and then enable it again, or turn off your, here you can see aeroplane mode, so turn on first here and then turn it off if you are using the mobile data, and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the second one. For that what you have to do is just you have to make sure that you have entered the correct URL while searching for something. So if this isn't the case, then go for the third method. For that, what you have to do is just here, what you have to do, open up here settings app, and then scroll it down here and find here Safari. Let me check here, which is, tap on this, and now scroll it down here again and tap on advanced, and now tap on website data, and here is the website data. So you have to remove all website data from here. Tap on remove now, and then go back and then scroll it down, and here is clear history and website data. So tap on this and also clear this one. So hopefully this is the method your problem will be fixed. So if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, just open up again settings app on your device and then scroll it down and tap on general, and again scroll it down here and tap on date and time, and then here you have to turn the toggle on for the 24-hour time and set automatically here, and then go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the next method. For that, again open up here settings app on your device, and then here tap on general, scroll it down all the way here and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and now tap on reset, and here is the reset network setting. So tap on this and give here your passcode, and then tap here on reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults, and your data will not be erased. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, simply what you have to do is just port restart your device by pressing and holding the combination of the keys according to the model of your iPhone or iPads. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And this trick also, if doesn't work for you, then go for the last one. For that, again open up here settings app on your device, and then tap here on your software updates, and check if here you have update for the latest version. So you have to up to date your device to the latest. So these are the method. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So if the video is find to be helpful for you, please like or subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.